So, in this video, I'll show you how to add a journal entry in Zoho Books. First, log into your Zoho Books account and from the main menu, go to Accountant or Accounting. It depends on your version. And you'll see two journals here, which is Manual and Recurring. And now you can select your journal entries and you can choose whatever option you would want. And to add a one-time journal entry, you can click on Manual Journals. Then create new journal. And then from there, fill in the journal date and the journal number. Then add a description to explain the transaction. Now, enter the debit and credit lines by selecting the relevant accounts and their amounts. Make sure your debit and credits balance out. And once everything is accurate, click Save to finalize your journal entry. And journal entries help you record adjustments or transactions that don't count from invoices or bills. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.